one hand.
Are you getting sound on that too, Reggie?
Yes.
Why don't you record about that fan? There's 64 blades on the fan. Take the bag off. Show it's a clamp. Because it's not anything like Hoover bags any other time. It's a two-part clamp. It's really different because no other Hoovers use that.
Yeah.
See how the bag comes off? It's two pieces.
Ooh, look at all that stuff we picked up.
Put the machine on its end so you can get a picture of
Yeah.
a 64 blade fan. See
That
the
is
fan?
huge.
64 blades.
That is unbelievable.
It moves more airflow than a Kirby.
Any
High
Kirby.
speed. Turn it on and let them see the fan as it rotates. Just for a second. You don't have to let it get all the way up to speed.
Where's the
Switches
switch?
on the side.
There you go.
Try to get video of the fan turning. Do you know why Hoover built their own motors 10 years after they invented the vacuum cleaner? No. I mean, only 8 years after this was made. No. 7 years. 7 years after this was made, why Hoover began building their own motors. The company, Robinson Motors, that made that motor, would take the armature shafts and they would file the high spots on them, which works fine for the high spots. What about the low spots? I mean, they weren't spin balancing them. Well, the problem didn't come in immediately. It came in with sleeve bearings after the machines had been in use for some time. So after the warranty was up, a couple years later, the customer was going to have problems in the bearings. We're going to get Hoover, and she'd have to pay for the bearings for that motor. They knew that to control the destiny of the machine, they had to control the motor, because they could control how well it was made. So 7 years after they made that vacuum cleaner, Hoover started making their own motors. Now, can you imagine if the Model 12 Electrolux salesman came along and said, all you need to do is just this?
Oh,
You gotta see this too.
where's coming?